Welcome to the inside. As you walked up onto the stunningly opulent Range Rover SE, starting at $101,000, allow yours truly to fill you in on what you can expect with the Range Rover SE. Enjoy the ride and the conversation as you're now enveloped by luxury. So far, the Range Rover SE exterior echoes the aforementioned. You now glide steadily and safely on the inside over 21-inch style wheels. The brilliant highlighting in-cabin allows you to see, feel, and hear the difference with the unique climate zones, with audio on both touchscreen and Bluetooth CarPlay by Apple and Android Auto, hosted by Meridian, where you'll find excellence in all your sights to feel, hear, see the difference by signing and just simply keep driving your new high-trending luxury experience inside and out, the Range Rover SE. Go ahead, ask Alexa a question right now about the Range Rover SE and continue your conversation with your Land Rover dealer as you glide in luxury in the freshly appointed Range Rover SE. Keep driving.